something mad.
If he decides to go that way, we have to lean over that.
Yeah. That's if he decides to do it. He should know because he's out of space on the right hand side. So he should be turning.